Okay, a student was asked to reproduce the graph in Exploration B in radian mode. That's the graph in the middle of page 544. So it's the graph of sine x, only they want it in rads. So the range has not changed. No matter how you graph the sine function, it should have a range from -1 up to 1. What's different is in the x direction, instead of taking from 0 up to 360 degrees to get through a full cycle, the sine function will only take from 0 up to 2 pi radians. So on your calculator, the only thing you need to adjust is, assuming it's a TI 83 or something from that family, the x max you want, instead of being 360, should be 2 times pi. You can actually put the pi character in there, or you can do 2 times 3.14159, and that'll get you the appropriate graph. Nothing else changes. The scales are the same, the y's are the same, and the x minimum can still be 0. So if you graph that, here's 0. Instead of taking 360, it's just going to take 2 pi, so that's the end of one cycle. Halfway across that is going to be pi, and halfway between those you're going to have half of pi and 3/2 of pi, as in 1.5 pi. And the graph is going to start at the origin the way sine normally does. It will peak at pi by 2, that's where the highest y coordinate is. It will drop until it gets to pi. It will continue dropping and bottom out at 3 pi by 2, and then it will rise back to its starting point at 2 pi, and then it's ready to do it all again. And it'll continue cycling like that forever. And it continues to the left as well, although we frequently don't draw that section. So the intercepts that they asked for would be at the origin. Sine starts at 0, 0. We have an x-intercept at pi, 0, and another intercept at 2 pi, 0. And in general, we have x-intercepts at n pi, 0.